Oh, looks like the sewing room has turned into Santa's workshop, but that is okay. Because we are ready for tomorrow's big sew along. So yes, thank you for being a participant here with us on YouTube all year long. It has been so fun presenting the different tutorials, all of the different block of the months, different information about the cruises we've been doing, the different live events, and of course, the Scrap Masters project that kind of developed on the fly in the middle of the year. And we have had so much fun as a quilting community gathering on Fridays and sewing and spinning and rolling our way to an excellent series of quilt blocks. So anyways, I just want to say thank you to all of you for supporting Stitchin Heaven, for supporting me as a quilt maker and as an artist, for supporting the quilting industry as a whole. It's been super exciting to see what all of you have done. So I've gathered as many of the photos as I could remember to save throughout the year. I've put together another little slideshow for us this year to kick off tomorrow's big event, and to say again, thank you all for an amazing 2025. I'm really looking forward to sewing with all of you in 2026. Please make sure you join us for the mystery quilt tomorrow right here on YouTube. It'll be live. And of course, the following week, we will have the official tutorial for all of you. So thank you for being here. Thank you for participating in the sewing community, and make sure you stay well.